In this video, I will show you how to get and watch local channels on your Sony TV. Now, over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Sony TV you have, whether you have the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV. By the end of this video, you should be able to scan and watch live TVs on your Sony TV. Now, to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your cable or antenna is connected to the antenna port on your Sony TV. You can go ahead and get a portable antenna, and in my case, I basically have my antenna over here that is connected outside and is currently being used on my Sony TV. Now, once that is done, you want to head over to the settings of your Sony TV, usually at the top right corner of the TV, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the channels and input settings over here. Go ahead and select it, then go ahead and click on channels. Now from here, what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the channel setup over here, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the auto tuning, which automatically searches for channels and creates your channels list. Now just go ahead and select it. Now at this point, you have to choose the way you receive channels to the TV. So if you have a digital cable, or you have like a satellite or an analog antenna, you can go ahead and set up any of these ways of receiving channels. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select an analog antenna, click on setup, and then make sure it is connected to your TV. Then go ahead and click on next, and automatically your Sony TV will start searching for available channels for your TV. And as you can see over here, so far my antenna has been able to get just one channel. This is basically because I just placed it outside, not where it is supposed to get all of the channels that is needed. But once you have your antenna or your cable properly plugged and placed where it can actually find channels for your TV, you should have more than one channel obviously on your TV. Now once it is completed, you just want to go ahead and click on the next button over here, and then you'll be asked whether you want to edit your channel list. You can go ahead and skip this option and then click on finish. Now finally, in order for you to open up the channel you just searched on your TV, what you just want to do is to go back to the home of the TV, and then just go ahead and open up the TV app over here, which is basically for channels on the TV, and you can literally see the channel I just searched on my Sony TV. It is not so clear because my antenna is not so well placed. I just made it for this tutorial, but basically you should be able to find clearer channels once your antenna or cable is properly plugged and placed in where it is supposed to find more channels for the TV. And that is basically how to get and watch local channels on your Sony TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.